other end and see his face. What? Nice. Here's the Gundam complex, Gundam Factory over there. Yun yung tower na pinanggalingan namin kanina. And the station is right over there. So, this is how it looks like here. I think even if you're late, they will accommodate you because it's not a busy day, not a busy time also. It's 11:15 and we're waiting for the 11:20 show. Gundam will move in about 5 minutes. Looking at us. Hi. Bababa na si Gundam. It's going down. It's going to walk. Just opening his hands. See another view of Gundam now from the mid-body. Now from his torso. We're waiting for the half awakening, meaning Gundam going back to its original position. And just for the information of everyone watching, we paid for the entrance to the complex and entrance to this platform, and the cost is around 2,000 pesos each. 3,300 yen, Ranch, for both of us, each.
Well, including the entrance, around
9,900 or
99 divided by 2.
what?
99 divided by 2.
99.
Divided by
9,900 yen for both of us. But you can also opt not to go up this complex and just watch the show from below, from downstairs over there, which will be cheaper, of course. Nakababa na kami. We're down here. Complex again. May break
There's
kami
food.
before the next show. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga pagkain. Shumai. Hotdog.
Dogs.
Takoyaki. Fruit juices.
They have tapioca. You want? Wanna go inside?
Yeah. The waiting area.
So
Waiting
they can
and
see a
dining.
video of you in front of your favorite toy. Next to Voltes.
One of my favorite toys.
Look, who's so happy today?
Ganda.
Yeah. So was it worth the stress coming here? So the next show is in 25 minutes.
12:20.
So let's go inside. Let's eat first.
Let's eat.
In the eat first.
So the restaurants are upstairs.
I think so.
And then
Store. Look, there's a line already.
hopefully we can buy something rare.
I doubt.
No? Yeah. I doubt also.
Not too hopeful.
Looking for something to eat here.
So,
Right, friends.
Gundam Cafe.
Because we don't expect them to have vegan
Okay.
food here.
I don't know. Let's just eat.
So you order from here. Side menu, I think. 800 yen for French fries. And for edamame. There are burgers, bento boxes, curry, desserts, custards.
Drinks.
So we're ordering drinks. There's latte, iced latte.
I can't see the other portion. Oh, there is.
So there's cola,
You want ginger ale?
ginger ale, yes.
Yeah. Another one.
Yeah.
What can I add here?
No. Yeah, there. Okay.
Order.
So our total order is 2,400 yen.
4 fries, edamame,
So there's
and
also specialty food here. Gundam Factory is here and there's Gundam here. So we're going inside this Gundam base, which is a souvenir shop. We were informed that it's not allowed to take videos inside, so we'll just take photos. These are the items
Sold
that
out na
you
iba.
can buy inside. Of course, action figures and then shirts, mugs, keychains, caps, etc.
I could have. I could have.
So that's our Gundam vlog. We have our goodies here. We're able to buy some items.
Yeah.
And we shot multiple videos of Gundam movie. We also showed you how to get here from Ginza. Right?
Yes.
Anything to add, Ren?
Make sure not to rush and be on time.
Okay, until our next vlog. Bye. Ciao.
Ciao.